to make access to public services a fast and pleasant experience and not a toil that every citizen must endure so as to obtain basic services. Jamani, nipatie maji bana. In 2013, in 2012, who would have believed that passport applications, birth certificates, marriages and business registration, driver's licenses, and so many others could be done online from anywhere in the world? My administration has also supported similar advancement in the independent arms of government, resulting in a situation where Kenyans now file and serve documents for their court cases online, and the era of the notorious missing court file has been firmly put behind us. It is in the life of this administration that a business can be registered online and a certificate issued on the same day, together with the KRA PIN and other statutory registrations.